Are you experiencing that frustrating issue of your Sharp TV turning on and off by itself? Well, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and fix this annoying problem once and for all. First things first, let's rule out some common causes of what may cause this issue. Check to make sure that your TV's power cable is securely plugged into both the TV itself, which is usually located on the back of the TV, and the power outlet that's in the wall. Sometimes a loose connection can cause a TV to power cycle unexpectedly. Next, let's take a look at the remote control. Sometimes a stuck or malfunctioning button on the remote can cause a TV to turn on and off sporadically. Press each button on the remote to make sure that none of them are stuck or sticky. Make sure to pay close attention to the power button, as it's most likely the culprit. If you notice any buttons that feel stuck or unresponsive, try cleaning the remote with a dry cloth or replacing the batteries. If the issue persists, it may be related to a TV's software or settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your TV and look for options related to power management or automatic power off. Disable any features that automatically power off the TV after a certain period of inactivity. Disable the automatic power off feature to prevent the TV from turning off unexpectedly. Another thing to try is to disconnect your TV from the Wi-Fi. Smart TVs allow you to do so much more than watch movies and shows. But if your TV is connected to maybe an Alexa or a Google Home device, it's possible that voice commands or smart routines are causing your TV to turn on and off by itself. This could also happen if you're watching something on your phone and it starts casting video to your television on its own. Turning off the Wi-Fi on your TV should stop any other programs from controlling it. You can always turn it back on later if you discover a different culprit. Another option to troubleshoot is to turn off the eco mode. Some TV models come with this option, which is intended to reduce energy use. Instead of your television turning off, it goes into power-saving sleep mode. Yet devices connected to your TV could cause it to turn on by itself. To prevent this, disable eco mode in your settings if your TV has it. Another thing to try is to check for firmware updates. These updates, sometimes called software updates, can add new capabilities to your TV or fix known bugs. They're comparable to an operating system updates like on your phone. Go into your settings and see if any of the firmware updates are available. Last thing to try is to perform a factory reset. If you tried all these tips and your TV is still turning on and off by itself, you may need to revert your TV back to factory settings. This will wipe out any custom settings or app downloads, so use this as a last resort. And there you have it. Hopefully this fixed the issue of your TV turning on and off by itself. If it did, click a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.